Come back and listen to real companies from other cities. So all these are adult education categories. As repeated, national curriculum framework, foundation stage, second is school education, third is adult education. But next is the most important, everybody should know that it is called as national curriculum framework. Teacher education. As repeated, national curriculum frameworks, teacher education. So SCMT, the best
was a girl called Lucky. See, she is the Lucky. Okay, Lucky was Lucky studied in Lucky studied in a government school and she lived in a forest. And Lucky loved the nature very much. One day, Lucky came from school, and what happened? She saw a frog. She saw a frog. This fellow. Okay. And this fellow was talking to Lucky. Lucky, please come here with me. I wanted to show you something. So Lucky went along with the frog. Okay. The frog showed her a place where the pond was so dirty and it has been spoiled by all human activities like putting waste papers, plastic papers, and all broken glasses, everything. So what happened? She showed a pond, and in the pond all the frogs were very dirty and they were crying for help. Lucy felt very bad. When Lucy went inside the forest, her parents, the father and the mother, they were feeling very bad. They were searching Lucy because they cannot lose this Lucky, because Lucky is such a good student and she can study very well, she can behave very well. But why today she is lost? That's why they started searching Lucky in the forest. Last, Lucky came home, okay, and she told about what the frog has told her and what she had seen inside the forest, okay. And then another thing what happened is, in the parents when she was there to search Lucky, her uncle, aunt, everybody, they came to their house. They were all telling Lucky, you cannot go inside the forest alone and all that. They were telling. The next day, when Lucky got up, she had one more friend who came to her house. Okay. Lucky, he is a family friend, and I introduced you that he is the reporter. He came to invite people for his marriage. So Lucky spoke to him and she requested him, can you just come and see the pond? So he said, okay, I will come. So they went to the pond and they saw the pond. The pond was very dirty, and then there lived a plastic bhuta. See, look at this plastic bhuta, friends. This is the plastic bhuta. The plastic bhuta lived there. And then, the fellow who is this reporter, he told her, Lucky, don't worry, I will help you. So what happened? He went and then he took so many photos with his mobile and he posted the thing in the media like Facebook.